This video quickly walks you through on how to create curved text in Microsoft Word document. Let's just get right into it. Once you open your Word document, the next step you need to take is to click on Insert. You will see some options, okay? But our interest here is on Word Art. Click on Word Art, okay? Then click on this first one or any one of your choice. But here, let me work with this, okay? Let me type in a few text here. All right, my text here reads Codewin Tech for everyone. So I will take my cursor here until I see these two arrows. Press and hold the left button of my mouse, and then I'll drag to extend this so that everything will be contained in one line. If you want to move the text, take your cursor to this top part until you see this kind of sign right now. Press down on the left button of your mouse and then drag to any position of your choice. So once this is selected, what I mean by selection, just click inside it, inside the box, and it is selected, okay? You will see all these around here, okay, on this subtab named up as shape format. When you take your cursor to this, you will see what it represents. This one is text field. Then this is text outline, and this is text effects. What we need to work with here is text effect. So click on the drop down. You will see some options. Click on transform because you want to transform this text. So you see some samples depending on the type of transformation you want. Okay, if it's this, anytime you take your cursor to any of them, you will see what it represents in the document. Okay, if this is what you want, is this what you want? Okay, so you have a lot of them that you can transform to. All right, is it this or this or this? So, but I want to take any of these ones here. That's what will give us the curve we want. Either this or this will give us the curve we want. But let me click on this in this case. And you can see the curve has been applied, but it doesn't look as if it's too curved to the way we want it. So what you need to do is to take your cursor here until you see this arrow, two-headed arrow. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse. All right, press down on that and then drag until you get the kind of curve you want. Okay, you can see Codewin Tech for everyone. If this helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.